Painting. Just finishing up this home. We're in the final stages of painting. We're touching up drywall spots, drywall repairs. Beautiful home in Cave Creek. Just doing the final touch-ups. For example, you can see that's blue tape. In this particular home, we didn't do the drywall. Somebody else did the drywall. We just did the painting. So we're just coming back. And this is normal when you have a new home, that you have to come back to do touch-ups. Because you have your cabinet guys, you have your door guys, you have your flooring, you have your TV installers, and they get the walls messy, or they make holes or dink walls. This is one of the rooms, as you can see. I'm gonna show you some drywall spots that they did. And for example, here the electrician forgot one of the outlets. They put it somewhere else. You have all these walls with drywall. We painted all the doors, ceilings, baseboards in here. These doors were actually kind of tricky because they were wood, so they had stain. Not this one's here. Particularly not that door right there, but yes, all the, like that door there, they were all stained, so we had to prime them and paint them. One-story home. The beams, and there's a dark door. We didn't do that. The cabinets guy did. As you can see, the walls here, all the touch-up. So my recommendation is always call your painter when you have all the trades already in. When you already had your refrigerator installed, your cabinets. After everybody's done, I would recommend to call the painter for the last touch-ups. Here, I'll show you. This is the laundry room / pantry. There, as you can see, some touch-ups. Beautiful door done by the cabinet guys. Shout out to them. And this is what it looks before you move in. This was a brand new built. It was primed and painted when we started. So all this was new drywall. The doors were still the old from the old renovation. And this is the master room, master bathroom. Pretty nice, pretty big closet. And then, like I said, we're here doing all the touch-ups. Probably take us around 2 to 3 hours to do all this touch-ups. And I guess after us, the clean ladies, and they can enjoy their home. Thank you again. This would be something that we would fix. See the ceiling? Things like that when they were putting this curtain, they kind of dinged the ceiling. But that's okay, that's normal. A lot of people get desperate. They lose their patience. But I always tell them, just wait. And once everybody's done, we'll come back, touch up, make everything look nice. Thank you for watching again.